Ooh, okay.
Oh, I want to take a picture.
It's not a picture.
Oh, can I see? Can I see? Hey, you guys are supposed to be eating lunch?
Yep. That's you. It's recording.
Oh, it's a video camera.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Glenn's an idiot.
Yes, he is.
The star of the film.
Glenn,
Someone
The video creator.
I'm so
Look over
unapologetic.
here. Someone besides you should handle the camera. You're
Hey.
just gonna break it.
Hey, look over here.
I kind of,
Hello, Julie.
I want to try one.
You know.
No, just a little bite.
I'm getting this all in tape still.
I won.
Do.
Even recording?
Yes, I'm recording this for a future generation. Say hello. Do not attack me.
What's the big deal about a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
You just scared me. Hey, I can see my
It
fist.
tastes like.
I wonder if I can give myself a finger. I don't care if this. I don't care. Okay, wait. Let me get that again.
Didn't say you wonder if you can give yourself a finger.
Yeah, I want to give my. Oh, thank
Why
you.
do you want to give yourself?
No, don't eat my peanut butter and jelly. But mine's covered in crap, and then it exploded in my face. Oh well.
Did you watch my 7 years video?
You're
No.
yelling. You're
Sorry.
yelling. Go away.
That was me. That was me.
Yeah.
Why do you want to give yourself a finger?
I don't know. It might be
Well,
funny.
that was pretty
Wait.
stupid.
Wait, I gotta get this.
Hey, Glenn, look over here. I'm hungry.
Oh, sorry, not getting that. Wait.
Do this.
Ah, loser.
Where's Brandon?